Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase cell size in Excel. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. In Microsoft Excel, you can increase cell size by adjusting row height and column width. We will use adjust cell size using the format option. So let's start the video. Go to the Excel sheet, select the rows and columns you want to resize. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon, click on Format. In the Cells group, choose one of the following options like row height. You can enter specific height and then click OK button. Now click column width, enter a specific width and click OK. You can see the cell size is increased. So that's how to increase cell size in Excel. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.